breakfast, cozy room, good staff. Experience traditional Turkish hospitality at Mehves Hanim Konagi in Safranbolu. Nestled in the charming town of Safranbolu, Turkey, Mehves Hanim Konagi offers a truly authentic Turkish experience. This beautifully restored mansion combines traditional Ottoman architecture with modern comforts, providing guests with a unique and memorable stay. As you step into Mehves Hanim Konagi, you will be greeted by the warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects the rich history and culture of Safranbolu. The hotel's check-in time starts from 1 p.m., allowing you to settle in and begin your exploration of this enchanting destination at your own pace. With a checkout time until 12 p.m., you can enjoy a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this charming abode. Take your time to savor a delicious breakfast, soak in the serene ambience, and make lasting memories before continuing your journey. Families traveling with young children will be pleased to know that Mehves Hanim Konagi has a child-friendly policy. Children between the ages of 0 to 6 can stay free of charge, making it an ideal choice for a family getaway. The hotel's welcoming and attentive staff will ensure that your little ones are well taken care of, allowing you to relax and enjoy your stay to the fullest. Unwind in the serene garden and relax in the shared lounge at Mehves Hanim Konagi. At Mehves Hanim Konagi, you'll find a range of entertainment facilities that will make your stay truly enjoyable. Step into the serene garden and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Surrounded by lush greenery and colorful flowers, the garden provides a perfect setting for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful moment of relaxation. Whether you want to read a book, sip on a cup of tea, or simply bask in the tranquility, the garden offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.